In this video, I'll show you how to make double crochet cluster or bubble stitch. To make it, start with yarn over. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the first two loops. This is your first double crochet. Repeat the same process. Yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, yarn over again, pull through two loops, a total of 5 times. You'll gradually build up loops on your hook with each partial stitch. Once you've done this 5 times, you should have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through all 6 loops to finish the bubble. And that's your bubble stitch.